3 tips in 3 minutes that you can start to implement into your Instagram right now and start seeing results immediately. If you're new to the channel, once again, my name's Anthony. I make videos like this to help you guys take your accounts from 0 to hero, teach you guys about growth, monetization, and anything else in between on Instagram. So if you're looking to grow your Instagram account, this is the channel you want to subscribe to. So make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So 3 tips in 3 minutes. I am going to try my best to keep this in 3 minutes or less, so it's quick, straight to the point, and you guys can just go ahead and go. So tip number 1, tagging people in your posts. Okay, when you go ahead and you tag big influencers in your niche or some of the biggest pages on Instagram, you actually will appear on their profile. To the far right, there is a tab that says tagged. Now, most of this content in this tag tab is very bad, yet there's a lot of people spending time on this tab because they just want to see, like, you know, who are the people that would be tagging this person. So when you have your actual good content that is in this tab, it is going to stand out amongst all the crap content in there and people will find you. That is the first tip, free way to go ahead and get followers. Tip number 2, utilize stories and use hashtags and locations in your stories. So little people use hashtags and locations in their stories, and believe it or not, you can actually rank for these things. When you have a hashtag or location in your story, you can get top posts on that story. You can pull a lot of followers through this, and it's so easy to rank for because there's so little competition. Either people are too lazy to do it or they just don't know about it. So seriously, jump on this. It's a free way to pull followers. And tip number 3, when you make a new post, right after you make it, go back to your old post and like every single comment of everybody that commented. What this does is it will put a notification into their inbox with your name popping up. Say, hey, this person liked your comment. Now people will probably go ahead and click that to see what comment it was they left, go back, see the comment, they'll remember it, then they're probably gonna check out your page to see if there's anything new. They will see the new picture and they will probably engage. This will help you to go ahead and put notifications in people's inboxes, stay relevant, get more engagement to help you go ahead and go viral. So guys, that was 3 tips in 3 minutes. If you guys like videos like this, if you guys like these more shorter videos that are quick tips, let me know in the comments. If you hated it, let me know that too. If you guys are looking for something more advanced, something that shows you how to really gain like 10,000 followers per month, how to go ahead and monetize Instagram and turn it into a full-time business, just like I have, just like a ton of my students have, I have a full training that is absolutely free. I'll leave it linked in the description. If you're serious, this is the training that you must go ahead and watch. With all that said, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the best content when it comes to Instagram and how to grow, monetize, and anything else in between. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next video.